You are going to love the 2016 E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather shift knob, overhead console, panic alarm, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.